So I want to give an update on where I am with this project to build and install a Wi-Fi controlled switch for the aerator that pumps water into my Livewell. That's my Livewell over there in my Sea Arc boat. This is the prototype that I've been using. Put it in a 3D case, 3D printed case to protect it, and it's showing the voltage readout there from the buck converter, the voltage and the amps, and made an update to the app here so I can actually see the countdown on the seconds for it to turn on. And there it goes. You can see it's turning on the pump there, and I can actually turn it off, and it just stops everything. You see the counter is no longer counting up, and then I can turn it back on, and I'll turn it off because it's not supposed to run without water in it. So I'll be taking it to the coast this weekend to try this out and just see how it does. Be interested to see what it does in the heat. It's the sun down there can really do some damage to pretty much anything. So it'll be a real good field test for me to put it out there in that heat. But anyway, I've got this. This is tied into the relay is tied in between the pump, the aerator pump, and the switch and the fuse in this box here. And then I'm powering the microcontroller with my USB cable. So the next phase of this is going to be the implementation of this PCB board, where I am basically eliminating the USB cable to power the microcontroller. These leads here is be power coming in from the battery, as well as power going to the Livewell pump. That's what the 12-volt out is. And then you've got the black voltage regulator here. It takes it from 12 to 3.3 volts, so it can power the microcontroller. And then you've got the signals here to turn the relay on and off. So the next phase beyond this one will be to replace the MOSFET that's in here, the big MOSFET in here, the circuit for that. So I'm learning what that circuit is now. So that's kind of what we got. I think it should be on now. Let me turn so it's back on based on the timer there, and I'll show you how it turns it off too. We got a few seconds here, about 40 seconds before it turns off. But anyway, this has turned out really good. I'm excited about it. I think it'll make it easier for me to fish and still control the Livewell at my leisure, and also help me optimize the battery life, because I've only got that's the only battery I've got there to run all the accessories in the boat. So I'm kind of the thing that's driving this. So I'll turn this guy back on. It's going to run for a few more seconds and it should turn off. There it goes. So, and again, I've got these settings here to control off time and on time. I can adjust these to whatever I need it to be. So pretty cool. I'll make another video when I get the PCB board integrated with it.